Today we're going to be going over a sticking throttle blade position at a fully closed operational position. Now, as you can see, these are cracked open a little bit. You can close, they don't squeak, they don't do anything crazy like that. Now, if we were to close these fully off the adjustment screws, they will stick. There's a lot of people running into these issues, and there's a very simple solution for it that I'm going to show you here in just a second. We've now backed the throttle screws off as far as they go. They're no longer touching the adjustments at all, and as you can see, they're fully closed now. You can hear they're sticking and they're rubbing against the throttle bores. The easiest solution to this is to take this adjustment screw and the rear adjustment screw and give them about a full turn to a turn and a half in to bring those blades further away. So that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to go one full turn in. So there's half a turn, full turn. Do the same on the rear screw. This one we had backed out. So far it wasn't touching, just to show you guys what's going on. So now it's touching. We do half turn, full turn. They're cracked open just enough now that they're no longer rubbing, they're no longer sticking. And that is how you get a good starting point for your throttle adjustment. Now, if they're rubbing or sticking and your engine is running, you most likely have a vacuum leak that needs to be taken care of. This could be at an intake gasket, could be at anything that is hooked to vacuum. Any of these ports on the rear, if any of them are loose or have a component that's leaking, that'll cause it. If you have a power outer system like this one, if this front one is open, that can cause it. Or if you've smoke tested the system and there's smoke coming out of this front cover, there's a map seal behind this cover that if that is not seated properly or is damaged, burnt, melted, or missing, will cause a vacuum leak there. That's all for today.